Hello, today we will learn how to install Java in our system. Before starting, I must tell you that I know how it feels like when your manager or your colleague asks you to install Java. And then not knowing how to do so, you start searching over the internet and get hundreds of results which are oftentimes confusing. And you get perplexed trying each and every solution hoping it will work. But in the end you don't get the job done. But worry no more. Here we are to help you out. I promise you, after the end of this video, not only will you be able to install Java in your system with confidence, but you will be able to help out your colleagues in doing so. And believe me, it will make you feel very good. So, let's get started. Go to your browser and search for Adopt OpenJDK. Go to the website. Now, select the Java version you want to download. Say, you want to download Java 11 version. Then select Java 11, and click Download button, and wait for it to download. Now, double-click the downloaded file. Wait for the Java installer window to open. Click on Continue. Select language, say English. Then again Continue. A confirmation window will open. Just click on Agree, and then click Install. Now you will be prompted to enter your system password. Enter it, and click Install software. It will take some time. Great, installation is done. Now, let's verify if Java is installed properly. Go to your terminal, and type Java --version, and press enter. The command will return the Java version you just installed. That's it. You have successfully installed Java by your own. And now you are ready to help others. Thank you. But don't forget to visit us again. See you next time.